Now let's talk about how you can make your first $500 with affiliate marketing using Clickbank. Now as you can see over here, right, why I'm talking about this is because, such as the baby over here, you have to take baby steps in order to start making really great progress with affiliate marketing, right? First of all, you need to have someone who's going to be there for you step by step, one-on-one along the way. That is the thing in 2025. Now in February, as you watch this video, maybe it's already March when you're seeing this video, doesn't matter. Important thing is you need to have someone who's going to guide you step by step along the way. Give you exact ad copy, strategies, tell you is this low emotional state audience, high emotional state audience, female language, male language, always different. Core emotional states are different. And this is what matters, my friend, if you want to make it big with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025. You have to take, as you can see, as I said before, baby steps. First baby step milestone is 100 euros per day. Next, or dollars per day. Next step, 300 euros per day. Next step, 1,000 euros per day. Right? If you can make it once, you can make it twice, you can make it 10 times. You can duplicate, and duplicate. Right? It's not that hard. It's easy once you have someone, and simple, super simple once you have someone who can show you the way over the Zoom call, one-on-one. See over my shoulder. We are doing it together. I paid over $25,000 in the past to my coaches and mentors. One person, 25,000 US dollars, just to show me in 2-hour call over the Zoom strategy that helped me make over $100,000 in a month. This is what matters, right? Having someone who can help you. As you can see on my Instagram, I'm already sharing. On YouTube, I travel to over 63 countries right now. Stay in 5-star resorts, first class tickets, traveling, cruises. Not to boast, not to brag, but to show you what is possible, impress upon you what is possible once you take affiliate marketing really seriously. And once you have someone, true friend, true relationship with someone who can help you get going, right? I'm sharing this with you because I know that you have tried before. Maybe you bought courses for 3,000, 6,000 US dollars and you failed. It didn't work out. And the reason why is because it's all copy and paste thing. Everyone doing the same thing. Of course, there is no edge. There is no advantage. There's no leverage for you, my friend. So as you watch this video right now, if you want to get results, connect with me one-on-one. I have my Instagram, WhatsApp, and email, my Facebook Messenger. Yes, my personal phone number. Ask yourself, have you ever received phone number, phone call, or text chat from a guru on YouTube? Right? Mostly AI bots, AI support team in India or somewhere with email. Once you paid $5,000 or $10,000 for a coaching, right? Here we have personal relationship, one-on-one. And in 2025, you need that in order to finally start having results. If you have failed before, I understand. It's not your fault. All you have to do is you have to connect with someone one-on-one who can show you exactly what is working in 2025, not to follow some old, outdated strategies that used to work 2 or 3 years ago, or rehashed, watered down versions of some courses. Okay? So as you watch this video, let me know only if you're serious. Let's take action and let's make something happen together.